Let's see. Let's see, shall we? It's been... one, two... No, that's the wrong one. Months. Wow. It's been 3 months since I've actually written anything, huh? I don't really know that anyone would count what I do writing. I don't really count what I do as writing either. The means to an end, but the end is a nondescript thing, really. What does anyone want out of writing? What do people do what they do for? Generally speaking, people want to live their lives because it feels more comfortable than anything else that they're capable of doing. Path of least resistance, anyone else would call it. That's a very basic way of looking at things. Path of least resistance is also what molecules follow when they are trying to exist. What was it? Dead iron? No. What iron is called in a star? It's pretty opportune timing, if you ask me. Once upon a midnight dreary, as I lay here, weak and weary. I really need to finish that. I need to finish that speech. It's a very good song, and this is very good backing. I just want to know what it's called. Why is it not telling me? Whatever. I really think that it's hard for people to tell what they're looking for because they've never really known what true happiness is until they stumble upon it. It's insanely easy to just say, look for what makes you happy. When you don't know what that happiness is, it's about saying the same thing as find the color green, colorblind person, or find what it smells like to burn something, person who has never experienced the scent of smell before. That's a really bad analogy. But like, if I had to grasp something and truly explain it, it's not really... The water flows where it flows because the rivers dictate where it should flow. If there isn't a river, then it just flows down a hill. If there isn't a hill, then it flows to the ocean. The ocean is just a giant collective of water because hydrogen molecules want to bond together. And when it rains, it's going down to the aquifer because that's where it belongs. Rain in and of itself is a neutral process. Rain isn't positive or negative. Rain is just a neutral factor. It neutralizes almost everything. 70% of what we're made up of is water. 70% of this planet is water. If only I could be more water-like, huh? If only I could be so grossly incandescent. Yeah, exactly. I know what you're talking about. But I don't know. I wish water could tell me how it feels, because feeling is something that's not easily interpreted nowadays, is it? Feeling... Excuse me. I'm trying to have a conversation here, Sylph. Feeling is something that is hard to put into words, but you can put it into poorly translated words. Poor words always fall flat of what they're trying to express, which is why I'm saying that we should evolve further beyond what words can offer us. I really don't think that they're sufficient for what we try and make them do. However, they're the only means that we really have. These ancient mouth flaps, these vocal cavities, for things saying that sometimes are beyond our comprehension and sometimes are below what we can possibly say. There's nothing really perfectly capable of expressing exactly how we feel. I wish that my nails were a skewer, writing upon the table all the things that I could say. But that's not the truth now, is it? Nothing's the truth but what we make it. And until we make it so it's nothing, isn't it? You want to make nothing out of something, breathe into the air. You want to make something out of nothing, you're going to have some help needed there.